Hey, what's going on in here? Ah! Zombie breakout. If seen someone without a limb, please run away. I am on the scene where this all started. Ah! Give me a chopper. I gotta get out of here. I better stock up. I heard the news. Oh, good, a knife. Scary zombie. Yeah. That was creepy. Come here, goat. Look, some armor. I think I need that. That'll be good right now. Ugh. Zombies? Weird. I better go find my squad. More zombies? This is bad.
Nice day on the water, but I better get going. What is that? It's moving. Yeah, better get going.
Hi. You running from zombies? No, I gotta find the cause. Though I don't know where it's at. I think the cause started at the prison. Sorry, I'm Bob. I'm Gary. I'm Leo. Well, I'm going to the prison. You coming? Sure.
Zombies. Don't worry, we'll take them out with all force.
Go!
Shh. We have to be quiet. 3, 2, go! Search the area. Ah! You okay? Yeah, no bites. Well, let's keep searching. I think we should get going. Yeah, one more thing. Okay, let's go.
I have been waiting for you. I'm a snake from a lab far from here. Now you will die. That was creepy. I don't think I'll ever sleep again without a nightlight. Go fight! Go fight! Leo's down. Okay. Go check on him. He's out cold. It's fine. We have to beat the snake. Shoot the snake! Yes, you hit him. No. Finally, it's all over. Yes.